we go.
Checking out of the hotel or bungalows.
Time to go to Hanoi with a little detour.
Yes, which you will see in whatever video it will add it to. So yes, pretty happy with this hotel.
Yeah, it's been really nice.
Yeah, nothing really to complain.
No. And we're back from the boat trip.
Yes.
And we're about to head off to Hanoi. See you on the road.
We're coming for you, Hanoi.
Welcome back to the last day of our motorcycle trip. Today we're headed from Ninh Binh all the way into the crazy city of Hanoi.
Yeah, this is a trip I won't easily forget. There was so much traffic everywhere, and when we got into Hanoi it was this craziness, as you will see later in the video.
Yeah, this was some serious change through this day. We started off with the boat trip, as you could see in the previous video, and it ended up with this insane stress coming up here.
Yeah.
As you can already hear, there is a lot of honking of horns.
Yeah, it's quite the contrast from being in that peaceful river in that boat to driving into Hanoi in this craziness. So
yeah, as you probably see, we had a train next to us as well, which caused some extra distraction.
total madness in this city. So much traffic and dust and bad roads. So it takes some time to get through it. Get home from work o'clock or something. Madness. Now it's only about half an hour or less left until Hanoi. Still in the madness. So yeah, this road sucks.
Yeah, what sucks is the traffic, and there is pretty high speed here as well.
Yeah, so we're at the same place, but yeah, we have to get out of this madness. There's so much traffic here, going in all directions and dust, and yeah, we think it's home from work o'clock or something. It's pretty bad. It's pretty intense. Yeah.
Looking forward to leaving the bikes and getting out of here.
Yeah, it's good warm up. Very good warm up for Hanoi.
Yeah.
So yeah, but we'll see you. So the traffic was getting worse and worse, and we were about to enter Hanoi. This madness behind here. Torstein is standing on a red light, so we have to let through all those people which are coming here. There he is. How it feels. Oh yeah, a lot of traffic.
Yeah, I think we gotta take it a little slower because my brakes are very bad.
Okay. Let's head further. There is quite a lot of scooters in Hanoi. Me and Torstein are driving a little more slowly now, since these brakes are really bad, and in these places you have to have good brakes. Things happen really fast. We're in red light street or something. There's red lights all the time. Yes, so we're at the red light again. But yeah, what I was going to say, it's a lot more relaxing to drive at these roads than compared to the one leading into Hanoi. Since here the directions are separated compared to where on the other one where it was at the same road and everyone was just driving in zigzag, you know. And now I'm trying to find English words at the same time as I'm driving, so I may be even worse than normal. But anyways, yeah, it's almost no cars, so it's relaxing since the scooter is having respect for each other, and when it's cars, the cars are the boss.
And we made it back to the city. We are approaching Hanoi.
Yes.
1 hour left. And Jens has to pee.
Really bad.
Oh, really bad?
Yes.
Oh yeah, okay.
The bigger one is this ERT, you know. A red light district. Basically, driving 1/4. Stick together on these roads though, as people are always getting in between us. So now I'm trying to see Torstein in my mirror here. And yeah, he's on my left, on my bad mirror. So yeah, we're back together, driving into Hanoi. Yeah, I think we're in Hanoi, but we're not in the centrum where it's the worst traffic ever. So looking forward to that. Our last minutes with the scooters now before we deliver them to the guy we're renting them off. So gotta enjoy these minutes in this madness. So, and here you can see Torstein. Yes, also lesson learned, never drive at yellow light in Hanoi, as yeah, you will meet the traffic going in the other direction, and it's not something I recommend to do or will do again. But yeah, I had to follow Torstein, so the reason I did it. Look at the traffic we're driving into. Oh, it's good to have some room sometimes. Here you can see the walkers are pacing over in slow and steady speed as you have to calculate it. You can see it's quite intense to be walking on, yeah, to be walking.
So now that we're really close to the city, as you can see, the traffic is getting pretty chaotic. Like you have all the taxis around here, like here we almost crashed into a bus, and
almost crashed into a bus.
Almost.
Full control.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, you can see it's going so slow that people have to put their feet down and kind of just slowly inch their way forward. As first-time drivers, this was pretty intimidating, but we made it somehow.
So as you may hear from now, I stopped live talking because I was getting a bit stressed as I was driving around with the GoPro at my chest, and the guy we were renting the scooter by had his base located
right next to a Vietnamese military base.
Yeah, and it was pretty hard to locate, so we drove around this area maybe 2 times, you know?
Yeah, this huge military base in the middle of Hanoi.
So after a while we were stopped by this guard, and I think they thought it was a spy or something.
Yeah, at least we didn't want to risk filming anymore, so
I just packed my GoPro down in the scooter.
Yeah, but don't worry, we made it back safely after driving in the craziness. Alright, so we made it back to Hanoi, finally. The motorbikes are out of our hands. Yes, we didn't film much of the last hour because we have to drive in circle a couple of times.
Indeed, and now they're everywhere else.
Yeah, so everywhere. We will go down and have a beer. Yeah. And if we can get through this everywhereness. We actually had to drive on the sidewalk like these guys do.
Yeah, now we can finally drink beers without thinking about driving
for a while. Yeah, which is pretty nice.
When we have vacation.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, so we're on the way to the airport. so we've arrived at the last hotel in Vietnam.
Oh yes.
And Jens has got a new look.
Yes, and it's not what you think. This is actually from driving
Just-
for a week.
It's driving makeup.
It's yeah, fan exhaust.
Exhaust.
I've captured my eyes and I think they're very irritated and now it looks like I'm wearing makeup. So yeah, but maybe I look better. I don't know. If I will shower it away or not.
Yeah, I don't think I have it though.
No, you have had the bigger.
Yeah, that's true. I
What's
have
the bigger? But I should not have. Let's see. Visor. You had the bigger visor.
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, we hope you have enjoyed this Vietnam driving series. Yeah, tomorrow we will continue for you in the Philippines. So be excited for that. So thanks for watching, and
It's really been a journey having you guys on.
yeah,
I hope you have enjoyed what we have been making for you.
Yeah.
Feel a little bit inspired maybe.
yeah, I hope so. That's why we're making this.
Indeed.
So yeah, and also if you want to help out, please leave like comments and likes. It helps more people see the video.
Yeah, and also suggestions and
Yeah, we'd be happy to hear about it.
yeah, really fun to have something to make videos about when we know you guys will be interested.
Yeah. Alright, so from outside the airport in Hanoi,
Yes.
signing out. Thanks for watching.